So moving on to hair. This hair is from Vshow hair, and yeah, I'm just going to install my wig. I really don't know what that intro was, excuse me guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and I hope you subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So moving on, shout out to Vshow hair for sending me this hair so I could review for you guys. You guys know it's been a while since I last tried actual long curly hair, but then like I really liked this hair, honestly, because this hair was really soft and it was very easy to work with. The lace was super thin, like it wasn't thick in a way that was hard to work with. It was really thin, and yeah, I just really liked how everything turned out. This is their deep wave hair. I personally picked this hair because I hadn't tried curly hair in a while, and I really love how it turned out. In my last video, a lot of you have been asking, or rather a lot of you were asking where my hair was from. Well, yeah, the hair is from Vshow hair, and I'm going to leave all the details of this hair in the description box below, so you could go check it out if you want to. And will I recommend this hair? Yes, I will. I highly recommend this hair because, as you guys can see, it is bomb. I had this installed for about 2 days just because I got bored. I always like to switch up my hair, so yeah, this is just what it looks like, and I'm going to leave all the details to this hair in the description box below if you want to get you some, because this hair is so affordable. For the quality you get, it is super affordable. So I'll leave a direct link to this hair, so if you want to get it, you could check it out, and I'm going to leave a link to their other hairs. Also, this is not my first time working with Vshow hair. This is like my third time, I think, working with their hair, so you know that their hair is bomb. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been talking too much, and I have other tutorials, like in-depth tutorials on how I install my wig, so you can go check that out. But then if you're looking for a curly hair, I will highly recommend this one because this is bomb. Once I spray water, just look at how everything just comes back to life. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm also going to do an outro at the end, so yeah, let's just keep watching. This thing was recording when I removed my band. Anyway, I just put some mousse here just to slick this part down. And yeah, I was trying to do some baby hairs, but then it wasn't coming out right, and I was like, you know what, let it be. So yeah, that's it for the hair. So I have my everyday makeup routine, which I'm going to film now. So by the time you guys watch this video, it's probably already up, so I'm going to link it somewhere up around. So yeah, make sure you go and check that out. Look at my skin. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.